Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. On the very first position we've got date and time, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options which are connected to the date, time and time zone, but we actually cannot change them manually because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and now we've got those options active. So let's begin with the date, and as you can see here by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. So let me pick something like that, tap on OK, and as you can see the date has been immediately applied. The same situation with the time. Here also by swiping you can pick the time you want to use, tap on OK, and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on the region and here you will be transferred to the full list of all available ones. So all you have to do basically is to find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one. Okay, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got the time format, so currently we are using automatic option which is based on system language, but we can pick manually the 12-hour option or 24-hour option. So let me pick for example 24-hour option, or maybe 12-hour option. And under it we've got the dual clock, which means that your device will simply display two different time zones next to each other. So it's up to you if you'd like to use it or not, just customize it with the switcher. So basically this is it. This is how to manually change date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just pick auto option here and tap on those switchers to use network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.